Introducing the Nissan Skyline. Soft Top 2000 GT-R, KPGC-10, 1970. This car, dubbed the Hakosuka, became a legend after winning 50 races in a row. Before we unleash this beauty on the track, let's take a quick look at what makes this car so special. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. Originally built as a hardtop, this Skyline was later converted into a soft top and spent years abandoned in Saudi Arabia. Despite the roof modification, it retains the legendary S20 inline-six engine, delivering 160 horsepower at a screaming 7,000 RPM. This high-revving power plant, paired with its lightweight body and rear-wheel drive layout, makes for an engaging drive. Salvaged out of Arabia, finally the car saw daylight and got exported to Europe and is still awaiting a full restoration to this day. Mechanically recommissioned, though, we got the opportunity to show you yet another unique and special automobile once again. Among its many charms is its engine. A direct descendant of the high-performance engine used in Japan's first prototype racing car, the Prince R380. Fewer than 1,200 KPGC-10s were produced, and including the four-door models, the total is only around 2,000 cars. This car is a legend that scored 49 consecutive wins in the Japanese Touring Car Championship. Owning it means owning a piece of that incredible history. On the track, the soft-top Skyline offers a raw and visceral experience, with open-air thrills adding a unique twist to its motorsport pedigree. While the added weight of chassis reinforcements slightly affects handling, its heritage and rarity make it an absolute treasure. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of GTR history that will never be repeated. All said and done, it's time now for the moment we all always wait for. Time to take this car out for a spin around the test track with our famous racing driver behind its wheel. He has his own choice of music, I guess, for driving fast. Oops. Now I see why all the scratches on the car. Our famous race driver was seen at the pub all afternoon before this, so let's hope for the best. Well, that's all for today, I guess. We hope you liked our video, and don't forget to stay tuned for more interesting videos on unique cars with their reviews, some gameplay, and a lot of racing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Gameplay Hub.